I was bored today and went to the second-hand market. Sure enough, I found a good baby. Spent 50 us. Just bought this second-hand lawnmower. If you buy this thing new, I'm afraid it will cost thousands of dollars. In the second-hand market. I also simply observe it, although it is really worn out. But fix it with our skills. It can be said that it is easy to catch. Wouldn't this save thousands of dollars? So I just bought it and took it home. From the appearance, it can be said that it is a battle-damaged version. But since we bought it cheap, let's not pick 3 and 4. After careful observation, we'll start dismantling. Next, this thing is in the hands of the original owner. I don't know how many years it's been. The tape on the top is also wrapped around and around. It can be said that it has been another 3 years of sewing and mending. The preservation of these small parts is still very good. We'll fix it later and keep using it. No need to buy new ones. This also saves a lot of money. Next, we start cleaning these small parts. Add some water and detergent to it and wash. We grind the surface with an angle grinder. Make the surface more smooth and flat at the same time. It also removes some internal rust. Use a small hammer to restore the pitted place. For the damaged place, we will cut it off directly. Just fill it up later. The effective destiny came out all at once, just a factory reset. Next, paint and color our handrails. Okay, here all our parts have been repaired, then we start to assemble. There are still a lot of these small parts. If it weren't for our 20 years of experience in the industry, I am afraid it is also difficult to handle life. Okay, here we have completed the repair. Next, let's take a look at our finished product. Alright, this video ends here. Thank you for watching and see you next time.